today we're just running some errands. So I decided to pop into one of my favorite plant nurseries to grab some organic soil because my plants love it, and to see what type of new plants they have in that I may want to purchase. Next stop is washing the car because, hey, it's dirty. Let's get it done. I am revamping an old canvas art piece because I'm just tired of looking at it. But I also want to save money at the same time. So we utilizing what we got at home to revamp the painting to give it a whole new look. I am using the pages from an old book that I had from like one of my college courses or whatever. Just taking those sheets of paper and I am gluing them down. Also utilizing these, they came inside of the picture frames, and keeping it simple, we're just using Mod Podge. Yeah, this is what we're looking like so far. I still got to finish this bottom part, but I think it looked dope. So this is what we're looking like so far. As y'all can see, it is still wet. So just gonna let it dry and then I'll hang it up and we'll see what it's looking like. And this is what it looks like. Fully dried. I think it turned out great. Bands. I'm about to take Bands to the lake. Put that down, Bands. Leave it alone. Bands, come down. Get down.
Oh, we going on the whole thing? Hey, look. Love when y'all come.
Hey, you two, what's up?
Hey, look. Hey, you two. This is your girl, Dom.
It's video. That's what I told you to do.
I was trying to take a picture.
No, you gotta wait.
I'm canceling something. Oh. Hold on.
Did you hit the red button?
Yeah, say 19 seconds. Oh, now you're out of work. You can't lie to me. I can see your bank account, sir.